What's up guys, Logic Hassan here from wearemarketer.com. In this video actually I'm going to talk about how you can install WordPress. So WordPress is a CMS, it's a content management system, and if you want to create a beautiful website without any coding knowledge, then this WordPress platform is really very helpful for you. So let's move on to my desktop and I'm showing you how to install WordPress properly. Okay guys, now we are going to learn how we can install WordPress in our Hostgator account. So if you do not have Hostgator account, first you need to purchase one. After getting your login information, just log into your cpanel and then you will see that interface. Okay, so now in the bottom, just search on here. This is the software section and you will get quick installation option. Just click on it. Now here have so many scripts. We are actually going to install WordPress. So see here have install option. Just click on WordPress and from here you need to select your domain name where actually you want to install WordPress. So I'm going to install on my trafficadvice.com. Just select your domain, your desired domain in here, and in the directory if you want to install your WordPress in a subdirectory, then you can put any name in here. So just I'm going to install my on my main domain, so just I leave it and click on the next. In this section we need to submit our blog title, user admin, password, etc. So first of all I'm going to enter my website name in here, and here you need to enter your user ID. So I'm just giving it a name, my user ID, and here your first name and last name, and in here you need to submit your email address. After submitting your information, just check mark on their terms and condition and then click on install. So it will take some time. Okay, great. So now actually successfully installed our WordPress on our website, and they gave us some information, our website information, our user ID and password in here. So if we go to our website, see, just this is actually our website where actually didn't install WordPress previously. Just now I installed WordPress on that site, so I am going to reload this page. So see, our WordPress actually successfully installed on our website. So I'm going to log into my admin panel. Just click on it, and in here you need to enter your user ID and password. So where we'll get our user ID and password, you will get details in here. So our user ID is admin and our password is this. So I'm just copying my information from here. Just copy here, just user ID and my password, then click on login. See, this is our WordPress admin panel, and if we visit our website, how actually it's look like. So this is our WordPress website. So we successfully installed our WordPress on our domain, and this is really very simple. So I hope you understand that how to install WordPress on your Hostgator account. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more update.